Good morning. Dear students, I am here standing before you to explain about the new chapter, chapter number 14, a short poem. A short poem. Okay. Lake in of ends free. Okay. So this is a short poem written by W. B. Yeats. In this poem, W. B. Yeats is very tired and boring of living in crowded and rushed street of Dublin in Ireland. Now he wishes to go to the lake. Lake means a long water body where there is a small island. A means a small island surrounded by the water in spree. In spree means an island where there is plants, trees and all the natural beauties surrounded by the water. In loneliness means without having any burden, without having any problems in that particular place. So in the opening line of the poem, he said, I will arise and go now and go to Innisfree. Now I have become very bored of living in rushed and crowded place of Dublin. Now I want to live alone in peaceful and in serene place. Peaceful and serene place means where there is no such noise of human being, where all the people always seen in hurry and in very busy mood and motion of the time, and they do not have any relation, only their work task, and they are busy to complete their work, and they do not have any time for the other people. So what did he say and what did he decide? He decides, I will arise and go now. I will overcome from the situation. I will go arise now means I will remove the problems that I had since last few years and go now where? And go to Innisfree, an island, and a small cabin built there. And now it's an imaginary poem. It's the part of his autobiography where he always used to be there as in lonely place where there is tranquility, peace and serene nature. So through his sacred soul, he would like to go to the place where there is no hurdles, no boring situation. So in this way, he said that I will arise and go now and go to Innisfree. Means he decides to go to an island that is somewhere in the Ireland. And a small cabin I will. And he decided that I will build a small cabin. Cabin means a small cottage made up of straws and of clay and battles made. Means it is layer of soil, clay and batters, means from the a mixture of thin sticks woven over the thicker coats form a fence or wall. 9 bean rows I will have there. 9 bean rows means he will grow at least 9 row of bean around his cottage, and I will have there, and I will live there happily without having any burden of life in peace. A hive for the honeybee, and he also admits that I should have a hive of bee. Hive means where the bees used to live and put honey. Honey is here means the sweetness, the fragrance and the elegant essence of the flowers. That is called the honey. And I will there will be a hive for the honey, and I will speak sweetly to those natural things, and live alone in the bee-loved glade, and live alone. And he decided that I will leave my children here in the city, but I will live alone in that particular cottage in Isle of Iceland, and be loved glad means, and I will be happy to live there alone. Did you understand this stanza? I think so. And I shall have some peace there. So in the first point he said that means I will go to the Innisfree means an Iceland, that is in Ireland. Second thing he said that means I will go there, I will be alone there, and I will build a cabin, and I will have a hive of bees to get the honey from it, and I will be and 9 rows of the bean, and by getting these things I will be happy in that particular Ireland, and I shall have some peace there, for peace comes dropping slow. But I know that I will have peace there, but this peace will come gradually in my mind. All of a sudden I cannot have peace in that particular place of Iceland. Dropping from the wheels of the morning to where the cricket sing, when I will wake up early in the morning, I will listen the song of the cricket, and I will be welcomed by the song of the cricket. Then midnight's all a glimmer and moon a purple glow, and I will see at night the gleaming of the glimmers in different colors, and they will glow in purple. And evening full of the linnet wings, and I will listen the song of linnet bird in the evening, full of joy, that is full of joy for me. I will arise and go now. So in the first point he said wishes to go where? An island. Okay, that is an island. Second thing he built there, he wishes to build there a cabin or a cottage of straw and violet battles. Okay. Say third thing, he decides also 9 row of bean, 9 row of beans. Fourth, a hive of bees for honey. Okay, number 5. And he wishes to live alone. To live alone. Okay, these are the things in the first stanza. And at last he said, that means welcome song of cricket in the morning and song of linnet bird in the evening. Okay. And dropping from the wheels are going to where the cricket sings, and then midnights are glimmer and moon and the glimmers. At night, glimmers, colorful, glow. At night, glimmers, colorful, glow, and evening full of the linnets beam. And evening, linnets bird in the evening. I will arise and go now, for always night and day, and I will work there day and night and enjoy all the way. So this is the points you have to remember and write in your particular notebook. And I hear lake water lapping with low sound by the shore. At the shore of the lake, I will find lake shore. Lake shore means at the bank or at the platform of the lake. I will get the happiest sound of the shore of the lake while I stand on the roadway or on the pavement way. Whenever I stand in my window or pavement, I will see the roadways. I hear it in the deep hot score, and I will enjoy the tranquility of the nature in Ireland. Most beautiful picture. I will imagine it, and I will enjoy living alone in the Ireland. So thanks for this very short poem for you, and will enjoy it, I think, by reading and going through it. If you have any problems or queries, put in comment box and enjoy reading poem Lake Ale of Innsbruck, where W.B. Yeats wants to go, wishes to go to enjoy his rest of the life, because he is bored and tired, fatigued of the life of city, and now he wants to leave Dublin. There he studied and worked, and ultimately he decided to go to the Lake Ale of Innsbruck, where he wants tranquility, peace and calm to enjoy his rest of life. Through this poem, what will he do there? He described in his words and for his tranquility, and ultimately he decides to go to the Iceland, where he will live alone, leaving to his family. Thanks for the have a nice day. Comment me and put your comments on the comment box. Thank you.